I'm gonna show you how to install Babypips app on desktop. So to get started, you have to open your browser, and then from there you just have to search babypips.com so that you will be redirected to their website. And then from there you just have to log in into your account. And to tell you, there is no application or standalone desktop application, but you can use the progressive web app on Google Chrome that lets you install any browser into an application. So from there, to do that is all you have to do is click on the three dots right here. And then from here, you will see the cast, save, and share. You have to click on it. And then from there again, you have to go to install page as app. And then from there, you have to click on install pages app and it will pop up the screen, and then click on install. You can change the name of the page if you wanted to, as to install the application. And then once you click on install, it will redirect you to the next page. And then from here, you can see now that the page is now on separate windows, or it's in an application. So that's how you install a Babypips app on desktop.